Divide and simplify. 2a to the fourth b squared over 121a squared b divided by 4a squared b over 66a to the fourth b cubed. The first thing we want to do is to recall that when we're dividing rational expressions, dividing is equivalent to multiplying by the reciprocal. So to begin, we'll multiply the first rational expression, 2a to the fourth b squared over 121a squared b. We'll multiply that by the reciprocal of the second rational expression. The reciprocal is 66a to the fourth b cubed over 4a squared b. At this point, we need to recall that to multiply rational expressions, we multiply across the top and multiply across the bottom. So we'll have 2a to the fourth b squared times 66a to the fourth b cubed over 121a squared b times 4a squared b. Now, rather than multiplying the numerators and denominators right at the moment, it would be more efficient to factor and then reduce. So on the top we have 2 multiplied by a to the fourth, which is a times a times a times a, times b squared, which is b times b, times 66. Well, 66 is 6 times 11, and 6 is 2 times 3. So this is 2 times 3 times 11 times a times a times a times a times b times b times b, all over 121. 121 is the square of 11, so we have 11 times 11 times a squared, that's a times a times b, times 4, which is 2 times 2, times a squared, which is a times a, times b. At this point, we can go ahead and divide out the common factors. We have a factor of 2 on the top and a factor of 2 on the bottom, so those divide out to give us 1. We have 4 factors of a on the bottom and 4 factors of a on the top, so divide out the 4 factors of a on the top and the 4 factors of a on the bottom. And we have 2 factors of b on the bottom and a couple of factors of b on the top, so we divide out the factors of b. We have another factor of 2 that divides out. We have a 3 on the top but not on the bottom, so the 3 has to stay on the top. The factor of 11, we have one 11 on the top and we have 1 on the bottom. Okay, we have a number of factors of a left on the top but no more on the bottom. We have some factors of b on the top but no more on the bottom. So at this point we go ahead and multiply on the top we have 3 times a times a times a times a times b times b times b. That is 3a to the fourth times b cubed over the only factor that's left on the bottom is 11. So we have 3a to the fourth b cubed over 11.